Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of TV. Oh, we in Arizona, y'all. We going fishing. Me, June, Kev. We're gonna go get on these trout, y'all. TV. Oh, we. Another one. Big fish. 108. All right, TV. Ron out here. Getting it in. Me, Ron, Kev. We got Kev over there in the boat. But Ron right here, he got one in that thing. Let's go see what he got, y'all. We're gonna paddle over the way, Ron. Show it to the, once you get it in, once you got your stringer? TV. Junior doing this thing with the big fish.
Yeah, I caught him off.
108, cut him off. Kev pulled out another one. What we got there, June? Oh, there you go, back in the drink.
I guess he said we didn't need that.
Yeah, he's like, fuck it.
Oh, he had a bite, but it dip set. Look at Kev fighting that thing. See what Junior can pull him in. Yeah, Junior, little butt crack. Little butt crack on the YouTube. Look at that thing. That's a monster, a megalodon. Kev, show that to Junior. You getting nibbled. Show that to the YouTube family, Kev.
You getting nibbled?
No, you ain't under yet. You good. Junior, you good. Help Kev. Pay some attention. Try to get my line off. Don't, Junior, make sure this fish stay in the net. Put the net up straight. Damn, Kev, that's a big one. Junior, find your post line. It ain't going nowhere. Oh, shit. Hold on, I got it. Grab that big one and let's see what the inches on him is. Use the 0 right there. You did it ass backwards, but that's all right. Now, where'd he come to?
18.5.
Oh, yeah, the lady did measure it, huh? But we got this one, y'all. Put him on the go. So we got 2 of them, y'all. Pick them up, Ron. Let's see those 2. Pick them up. Straight away. All right, A-Ron, I'm gonna double up. Let's scroll in on that thing. Good job, Ron. He had to set the hook. Then he set the hook again. All right, let's get him on a stringer before we lose him. Hold on to it. 3rd day. TV. Pick it up, June. Look at that bad puppy. And that's a big one. And that's no cap, no video editing on that bad boy. All right, June, put him in. Good job. Here, time move. TV. All right, look, y'all, we came back up here. And while we was up here, got the shipping container off the ground, strapped down. We got these containers for a hell of a good deal in Yuma, and we may end up using them at the house or here on the property. Kev hooked me up with the white ones. I got the black ones in Yuma. We out here, y'all. Junior and the big fish. Check him out. Pedal backwards or forwards? Go forwards. Forwards. We'll launch the boat and we'll catch up with you. Now we're going. How you pedaling, Ron? You big fishing? Big fish 108? Oh, shit, swerving. How you doing, Ron? How's that kayak going? TV. Ooh-wee. From the lake to the pot. We're going to put this thing in the oven, y'all. We're going to let you know how to do TV. Share, like, subscribe for more of these bullshit videos. I just had to throw this little insert in at the end. Ooh-wee. Redfish. All right, TV. Ooh-wee. Finishing up a weekend. Junior, how you feel about this weekend?
Good.
We did good. I know it's windy as hell right now, but we finishing up. TV. In other words, share, like, subscribe for more of these bullshit videos.